Hi everyone, welcome to the Inspiron series, where we bring to you inspiring placement stories of our students who have turned their dreams into reality. Today we have with us a special guest, Sanashri KL, a successful student of the Rajajinagar branch who has got placed as a software developer with a package of 7 LPA. I congratulate Sanashri for her achievement. Sanashri, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am Sahanashri KL. I have recently graduated from Government Sri Krishna Rajendra Silver Jubilee Technological Institute in the field of computer science and engineering.
So once PUC is complete, usually students will have a confusion which career choice to move for. So why did you choose development in IT as a career choice?
Actually, I chose IT because I saw career opportunities and a strong demand for IT field, and I also talked with my seniors and got to know that software development and related areas have the strong demand, so that I started pursuing engineering in IT.
Great. So before joining Decoding Lab, how was your experience in college, the academic performance and the placement journey? How was your overall experience?
Actually, before joining here, I used to watch random YouTube videos for my preparation, and I used to switch between the resources as I had no proper plan. And after joining here, our mentor Hari sir has given me the proper 6-month roadmap so that I could follow it step by step, and within just 3 months, I started seeing the results.
So before joining Decoding Lab, how was your academic performance and how was your placement journey in college?
Before joining DCL, I used to watch random YouTube videos and switch between the so many resources as I had no proper plan. And before joining here, I had a bit coding knowledge, and I had no clarity on what exactly the company need and what exactly I have to prepare for the company expectations. But after joining here, my mentor Hari sir has given me the 6 months roadmap so that I have followed it step by step, and within just 3 months I started seeing the results.
So what changed in your preparation approach once you joined Decoding Lab, and how did you start getting interview calls from companies?
The biggest change after joining the DCL was the discipline and clarity in my preparation. I used to study myself, and after joining here, I used to self-evaluate through the tests, interviews and mock interviews and all, so that I got to know what exactly lacking in me, and mentors have been guided me throughout this journey and what I have to improve.
So how was your overall learning experience in Decoding Lab Rajajinagar?
In Decoding Lab, I never felt the learning was hectic or stressful because every concept was broken down very clearly so that we could understand easily. I would like to thank Hari sir, Jeevan sir for Core Python, Nimi ma'am for Python programming, and Suhail sir for SQL, Pawan sir for teaching us web tech, Sandhya ma'am for Django, and Madhvi ma'am for software testing. Those who have supported me throughout the preparation, and also I would like to thank Savan sir for constantly updating us with the placement preparations and placement requirements and all.
Okay, that's great. So how was that moment when you received the offer letter? How did you celebrate?
When I received the call from the company that I have selected for this position, I was really blank, and there were 2 friends with me who were very excited and they were very happy for me. And when I informed my parents, they were also very excited and they were very happy.
How was your preparation strategy? How did you plan your entire day? Can you walk me through day by day what and all you did? How much time you gave for which subject? What was your entire placement preparation strategy?
Actually, every day we had 6 hours of technical trainings and 2 hours of presentation classes, and the mentors were guiding us to prepare on the same topics in the home also and revise the topics which were taught in the class. And I used to solve the technical questions, coding questions on the LeetCode and HackerRank platform so that we could practice more and become very perfect in the coding world.
How was the day of your interview? How was your overall interview experience?
There were 3 rounds totally, and first round was resume screening. I have submitted a resume which was taught from the Nimi ma'am, and it was instantly shortlisted. And the second round was a technical round 1, where they were asked about the arrays, strings, OOPS concepts, Python course, and MySQL and all. The questions which were asked in the interview was the same and almost the same which was given in the DCL question bank. And the third round was managerial round, where they were asked to explain the projects in depth. Here I would like to thank Karthik sir for providing us and guiding us with the projects.
So were there a lot of questions from DSA, and did your preparation for competitive coding, did it help here?
Yes sir, there was questions on DSA also. I would like to thank Nimi ma'am for teaching us DSA in so much depth, and it made me easy to crack that interview.
Amazing, very good. So in the last 4 months of your stay in the coding lab, what did you like the most here?
The thing I liked the most here was the teaching and the technical training and the real-time examples while teaching. And I would like to thank my mentors who have guided me and supported me throughout this journey. They were very friendly and the teaching was very good.
So for a fresher who is sitting at home now and watching this podcast, who wants to be in your position maybe in the next 6 months, what advice would you have?
My advice would be to avoid the random preparations and to start with a good roadmap so that they can prepare on the DSA, aptitude, and they have to even prepare on the communication skills and all, so that they can crack their jobs, dream jobs within 6 months.
Great. Thank you, Sanashri, for this wonderful podcast. I'm sure that all our audience would have gained some really helpful insights in this podcast. Once again, I would like to congratulate you on your success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for whole DCL team for guiding me throughout this journey.
Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. Stay tuned for a new podcast with a new achiever and a new success story. Thank you very much.